Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for School Morning Assembly to speak on 6 February. First of all, national news. Five more cheetahs to be released at Kuno National Park today. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav met OpenAI CEO Sam Altman in Delhi. Mahakumbh, PM Modi took holy dip at Sangam. Narcotics network supporting infiltrators and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, Amit Shah. Karnataka High Court issued notice on Vijay Malia's petition seeking data from 10 banks on total debt recovery. Northern Command of Indian Army to hold investiture ceremony at Mathura on February 12. Home Ministry asked state governments to prevent misuse of state emblem of India. Now, some international news. South Korea blocked use of Chinese AI tool DeepSeek on official PCs. Australia injected additional $1.7 billion in health sector to improve services. After meeting Donald Trump, Benjamin Netanyahu listed Israel's three main goals in Gaza. Iran is secretly developing nuclear missiles capable of hitting Europe, a report claimed. Google's AI policy shift no more ban on weapons and surveillance technology. President Trump signed executive order withdrawing US from UNHRC. Indian embassy in Libya facilitated return of 80 nationals stranded in Benghazi. President Trump announced US plan to take over Gaza, pledge economic development. And now some sports news. 38th National Games, Haryana's Suruchi bagged gold in women's 10-meter air pistol. Ranji Trophy, Mumbai vs Haryana quarter-final move to Kolkata's Eden Gardens. Varun Chakravarti added to India's ODI squad for England series. R. Pragnananda, Gukesh winning World Championship. Arjun Erigesi crossed 2,800 inspired me to work harder. Now, news related to business. India's services sector growth sees slowest pace of growth in over 2 years in January, PMI. Bombay High Court to hear Volkswagen India's play against $1.4 billion tax notice on February 17. LIC got GST demand notice of 105 crore rupees for 7 years. US Postal Service resumed deliveries from China. And that's all in news. Thank you.